Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you that where is fingerprint sensor in Samsung Galaxy A17. If you're using A17 and you're looking for fingerprint sensor in your phone, so the answer is your phone's fingerprint in the right side is the power button, and your power button has a fingerprint sensor. So if you want to scan your fingerprint, you must have to press on your power button. So you can get in your settings. Here open security and privacy, then lock screen, then go for fingerprints, and here you must have to enter a pin if you have or not. Then I'm going to create a pattern here. Just create that pattern, and here you can see that here's the fingerprint sensor in the side of your phone. You must have to press on it and you can easily manage your fingerprint setting. So that's your answer, that there is fingerprint sensor in Samsung Galaxy A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.